Sabi niya dito, it's not about hating billionaires. It's about questioning why the system allows such extreme concentration of wealth while essential workers can barely survive. Success is fine, inequality isn't. Well, first and foremost, equality is just a myth, a fantasy wherein people think everyone should have equal amounts of wealth. You are describing communism itself, na kung saan walang pag-aari ang bawat individual, only the state could provide. Do you even know what you're talking about? Now, being rich is not just about having assets or money. It's also about knowing how to procure them, how to maintain it. Ngayon, with the lifestyle of the poor compared to the lifestyle or knowledge or wisdom of the billionaires, who do you think has the more probability of maintaining, obtaining, and growing their rich or their assets or their money? Diba? Ang hirap kasi sa inyo, you keep on shouting equality without even knowing how those people choose things. A lot of why they are poor and why they are rich has something to do with their choices. Bakit mo paparusahan yung isang taong kayang mag-produce ng value, kayang mag-maintain ng value, 'di ba? Kayang mag-manage ng value compared sa taong hindi kayang mag-maintain or gumawa ng mga bagay na ginagawa nila. So are you going to punish people who can instead of uplifting people who cannot? Yun lang naman yun. So why are you trying to blame the system here? The system is working as it is. People are going to get what they deserve dahil sa kung anong choice na pinili nila. Choice mong magpahinga, fine. Walang nagbabawal sa'yo magpahinga. Choice mo mag-inom araw-araw. Choice mong mag-ML araw-araw. Choice mong manood ng TV araw. Fine. No one's stopping you from that. But the effects of your choices, it's on you. Hindi mo pwedeng sisihin yung ibang taong napagtagumpayan or umangat yung kayamanan nila dahil dinelay nila or mas pinili nilang magpayaman kesa sa mga mahihirap na piniling maging komportable. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day. You cannot legislate the poor into prosperity by legislating the wealthy out of prosperity. What one person receives without working for another person must work for without receiving. The government cannot give to anybody anything that the government does not first take from somebody else. When the half of people get the idea that they do not have to work because the other half is going to take care of them, and when the other half gets the idea that it does no good to work because somebody else is going to get what they work for, that, my dear friend, is the beginning of the end of many nations. You cannot divide or you cannot multiply wealth by dividing it.
This is Pinoy Extreme.